So in today's video we're going to be making 2 chicken dishes. Now this is the new addition to the family. This is Harley. So say hello, Harley. Oh my goodness, he's been keeping us busy, but he's absolutely gorgeous. Anywho, in today's video we're going to be making 2 dishes with the one marinated chicken. So I'll explain. I've marinated up some chicken in Sri Lankan spices, and we're going to be making 2 dishes. One of them is a simple grilled chicken with yogurt, chili and honey, and the second dish is a curry that's going to be marinated chicken with tamarind. So I'm going to introduce you to the flavour tamarind, which is so delicious in curries and lots of other dishes as well. So it's chicken with tamarind and grilled chicken with yogurt, chili and honey. So let's get cooking. Start off with, I always wear plastic gloves when marinating the chicken. It just makes it much easier. Now the recipes for both the dishes, so I'm going to be doing 2 dishes from this batch of marinated chicken. First one's going to be a curry, and the second one is just going to be simply taking that chicken and we're going to grill it. Now with the curry we're going to start off with 2 onions, and I'm going to fry the onions in butter for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. Now the full cooking time for the curry is about 35 to 40 minutes. Now I'm going to fry those onions until they're golden brown, and then I'm going to add fresh tomatoes. Now I'm not going to add too much seasoning while I prepare these dishes because I've already added salt to the marinated chicken. So I add the fresh tomatoes and I'm going to cook the tomatoes down for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm going to add my chicken. Now this is the fresh tamarind, coconut cream, chicken stock powder, water, and I'm going to cook that curry down for about half an hour. Now halfway through I'm going to add cashew nuts, and I'm also going to rest the curry for 5 minutes once it's cooked. Now if you're using chicken on the bone, 30 minutes cooking will be sufficient to cook that chicken through fully. Now after 30 minutes cooking and 5 minute resting, I add fresh coriander, and this is the dish. Now the recipe is for 6 portions. We had lemon in the marinade as well. Chicken was cooked, coriander, and that is one of our chicken 2 ways. So this is the chicken curry. So chicken curry with cashew nuts, lemon and tamarind. The second of our 2 dishes, we're going to take the same marinated chicken, we're going to whack it onto a grill with no oil whatsoever. We're going to grill it for 6 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other, and then we're going to rest the chicken for at least 5 minutes, and it's ready to eat. We're going to serve it with a yoghurt, coriander, honey and chili sauce, and we're going to roughly chop it, just roughly chop the coriander, just like so. So now we're ready to make our sauce. Simply mix all the ingredients together and you've got the perfect sauce to go with that spicy chicken. Easy, ready in 1 minute. And the freshness will go perfectly with the grilled chicken, believe me. And this is it. This is the sauce. So it's just a natural yogurt, chili, honey and coriander. After 10 minutes you can see that the chicken is well and truly charred, and that's what you want, because that's going to give you nice caramelized, succulent, tender chicken. In 10 minutes with the same marinated chicken. What's easier? So that was the Sri Lankan marinated chicken cooked 2 ways. So really easy actually, because you marinate the chicken. People, I don't know myself, when I order curry, I love to have the tandoor chicken, which is cooked on the skewer in the tandoori oven when they're marinated. It's so nice. So you marinate up the chicken and you make 2 dishes with that marinated chicken. With the grilled, I didn't season or do anything else other than stick it onto a grill. I didn't add any oil or anything. And then with the curry, a curry's fairly quick cook as well, in about 30 to 35 minutes cooking time. And all the recipes will be in the description links. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to Family Kitchen with Mark, press that red subscribe button and that will take you through to future videos. And I will see you in the next video.